Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Investing Kev. I'm excited for today's video because I'm going to be talking about NIO, ticker NIO. If you don't know about NIO, it is one of the most talked about stocks out there, and I did a stock breakdown and analysis video way back in June, so feel free to check that out. But as we head to 2022, I thought it would make sense to gather as much news about this stock and present it in one video. I want to target some of the top news out there, and the point I want to make is why I'm bullish on the stock. So if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. If there's anything that I missed news-wise that you think is really important, please leave a comment so the community can know and we can learn together. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, NIO Day just happened and I want to talk about that. Here's a few things that stand out to me. By 2025, NIO plans to provide services in 25 plus countries and regions. From this map, you can see South Korea, Japan, Australia, and America. I am very excited because I would love to be a NIO car owner someday. As of right now, they have 733 battery swap stations, which completely blows out their initial 500 swap station target beginning of this year. They also have 3,136 superchargers and 3,348 destination chargers. By 2022, they'll have over 1,300 power swap stations, 6,000 superchargers, and 10,000 destination chargers. There was an article back in July saying that by 2025, NIO would have 4,000 power swap stations, but at this rate, I think they're going to have way more than that. As of right now, they've had over 5.5 million power swaps performed, which is an average of 20,000 swaps per day. If you break that down even further, every 4.2 seconds, a battery swap is performed. Production of their ET7, which is their flagship sedan, is going well. Deliveries will start in March 2022. And looking at the battery ranges of the NIO ET7, their 75 kilowatt battery will have a range of 550 kilometers, which is 341 miles. Their 100 kilowatt hour battery will have a range of 705 kilometers, which is 438 miles. And their new 150 kilowatt hour battery will have a range of 1,000 plus kilometers, which is 620 miles or more. That is incredible and that is game changing. And the highly anticipated ET5 has been unveiled. The new ET5 will have ultra long range high resolution LiDAR. This enables better visibility and improved safety in complex road conditions. And the NIO ET5 will have an all glass roof. In my opinion, this car is really beautiful. And the NIO ET5 will be available in 9 different colors. You have cloud white, you have stratosphere blue, first light kiss, sunbathed yellow, luminous orange, arctic green, star gray, airspace blue, and deep black. The NIO ET5 is supposed to go head-to-head against the Tesla Model 3. I think what NIO is offering is incredible. The NIO ET5 will have the 150 kilowatt battery option as well, so this can handle 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles. Safety is really important to NIO. Looking at the rollover resistance rating, the NIO ET5 scored a 1.7. A 4-star rating would be a 1.25 to 1.45 score. A 5-star would be a 1.45 to 1.6 score. It is really awesome to see NIO putting safety above all. And the NIO ET5 has 8 different drive modes. You have Sport Plus, you have Sport, Comfort, Eco, Wet, Snow, Sand, and Custom. This allows the NIO ET5 to handle so many different road conditions. And what I really like about NIO is that they continue their belief that their cars are an extension of your home. Look at the interior, it looks so comfortable. And there are different options exterior and interior wise for you to choose from. And NIO also unveiled their augmented reality glasses that can be purchased separate from the car. Looking at the CNBC article, William Li also announced custom augmented reality glasses for the car that are made by Nreal, a Chinese startup backed by NIO's investing arm. Augmented reality is a technology for imposing digital images over the real physical world. For cars, the tech can let drivers keep their eyes on the road without having to glance down at the dashboard. And the ET5 is set to begin deliveries in September 2022, with pre-subsidy prices starting at 328,000 yuan, which is 51,250 US dollars for models that come with a battery. I want to take a look at some other notable news. Back in November, NIO delivered a record 10,787 vehicles, up 106% year over year. This was after a delivery of only 3,667 units in October, in which the factory was closed down for a couple of weeks to improve their manufacturing capacity to accommodate for future growth. And looking at their partnerships, NIO has joined hands with PetroChina, Sinopec, and Shell to collaborate in building swapping and charging stations in Europe and China. For NIO to work with 2 of the biggest oil companies in China in PetroChina and Sinopec, and a massive oil giant in Shell, that will help build NIO's brand name and recognition throughout China and Europe. And just recently, in Norway, NIO signed a deal with LeasePlan, which is one of Europe's largest car rental firms. LeasePlan currently manages over 1.8 million vehicles in more than 30 countries. This partnership means that LeasePlan will become the preferred operational leasing partner for NIO electric cars in Norway. The partnership will initially see LeasePlan offering NIO's flagship SUV, the NIO ES8. The CEO of LeasePlan had to say this: "Together, LeasePlan and NIO will offer some of the cleanest, greenest, and smartest EVs ever produced. And we're excited to be bringing the next generation of electric vehicle technology to the European market. And looking at China, looking at Uxin, which is a NIO-backed online used car trading platform, they have ventured into the used new energy vehicle business and started offering models including the NIO ES8. And you can see some postings on the Uxin app right here where they're offering different models. And for NIO to expand, they're going to have to increase their manufacturing capacity. This is where NIO Park will play a huge role. NIO Park is a gigantic world-class smart electric vehicle industry cluster encompassing innovative research and development of vehicles, core parts and components, and autonomous driving, envisions becoming a pioneering innovation chain with global competitiveness. NIO Park is a hub for hundreds of key supporting enterprises and a highly clustered full-fledged industry chain. NIO is one of many companies in NIO Park's vision. The 16,950-acre park features three main function areas: smart manufacturing, RD, and living space, and eco park. There are plans for phase 1 to be completed end of 2022, early 2023. This is going to allow NIO to eventually have an annual production capacity of 1 million vehicles and more. Look at their stock price. NIO has been on a roller coaster this entire year. Every time it seems like the stock was gaining momentum, something would happen, whether directly tied to NIO or indirectly. There were a lot of growth catalysts this year, but the market did not respond accordingly like it should. A lot of news such as Chinese tech regulations beat it down alongside delisting fears. This overshadowed partnerships, strong deliveries, charging growth, European expansion, and many more. This is fine for me because I'm in this for the long term and I want to accumulate as much as possible. Right now, NIO stock is $30 and I'm dollar cost averaging as much as possible into the stock. I believe in its future, I believe in its story, and I think they offer incredible products and services. In my opinion, this will bode well in their brand name and recognition around the world. I hope to be a NIO car owner someday and I'm excited for this company. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. What did you think about NIO Day? Are you a long-term shareholder? Are you aiming to be a NIO car owner someday? Thank you all for tuning in. As we head into 2022, I'm excited for what's in store for this channel, and I hope that this channel has been helpful to you. As always, thank you for tuning in, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time.